Hello everyone! Welcome back to Story Time with Hajra. Today we are reading Sesame Street, Cookie Monster's Foodie Truck. So, let's get started. This is Cookie's Foodie Truck. Gonger is Cookie's helper. We make food. Order up. We're hungry. This is the menu. Fruits, fresh salad, cheeseburgers, tacos, pizza, ice cream, cookies, famous cookies, stack of pancakes. Making breakfast. Pancakes, delicious. Lunchtime, yum. Making salad. It's ready. Cookie's friends like veggies and fruits. Sweets are sometimes treats. And sharing is caring.